Hello everyone, I'm Antonio Caricchio from Yococu, and I'm part of Your Art, Yococu Urban Art Working Group, which has been involved in the conservation and restoration of mural artworks since 2014. The project was born from the collaboration with Muro, Museo Urbano Roma, Urban Museum of Rome, under the direction of David Vecchiato, aka Diavu, as art curator, who, in 2010, began the experience of the first urban art museum in Rome, in the Quadraro district. Over the years, national and international artists have taken part in the project, which has become a reference point for the mural art of the capital. In 2014, through the collaboration with Yococu, a specific working group was created for the protection and conservation of these works. It's important for us to preserve the art of today to pass on knowledge to future generations, especially when the works are part of projects that aim to be open-air museum. Let's talk about how we approach maintenance onto projects that we carry out with Muro. The key issues are direct collaboration and conservative tips before performing work. We study solutions for any kind of problem. Specialized team forming, proposals on targeted intervention for conservation. Test new protective system for the easy removal of vandalism. Perform conservation and restoration interventions for the mural artworks. Plan specific maintenance interventions for the conservation of structured project. Create dissemination and experience sharing event. Test new solvents in the laboratory for the removal of vandalism. Materials alteration studies. The maintenance of Muro and Grahart is a project commissioned by a private institution and increases every year with the creation of new works. To obtain a snapshot of conservation status, Yococu has created a sheet called Mural Art Condition Survey, in which work data can be objectively reported. The form is designed with its specific vocabulary and is made of multiple choices, which simplify compilation and entering objective information. This methodological approach was fundamental for the creation of a database, with a view to periodic monitoring over time. The sheet consists of 6 sections that describe the work and the context, making an easier understanding of the causes and facilitating the definition of an objective conservation and maintenance plan. 4. General data about author, title, dimensions, project. Data relating the environment, so location, orientation, site work. Then a description about executive technique, about picture layer, support, surface characteristics. Then a description of the conditions of the work. It's about the conservation status, with a particular focus on deterioration phenomena. In the final part of the form, there is a description of intervention proposals that have to be agreed between the restorer and the conservation scientist through the analysis of collected data and evaluating the intervention plan. The work is divided into several areas: database update, definition of interventions and scheduled maintenance, timing plan, diagnostic plan and periodic monitoring, constant recording of conservation status, digital repository. This is functional to the definition of a preventive and maintenance conservation plan for the works included in the project. Your art project goes ahead over time and we are open to collaborations. Thanks for the attention and stay tuned with Yococu and Mure.